Welcome to AlarvyCAD Duct Tutorial Video 4 for Multisegment Elbow Duct. Click on Cylinder menu and choose Multisegment Elbow option. The default parameter values are fixed in the parameter UI of the Multisegment Elbow Duct, which can be modified by the user. Other unfold options such as unfold reference, K-factor, ripping edge angle, ripping sequence, number of bend lines and unfold are available for the user. Press Create button for creating the duct in the graphic user interface. The user may rotate the model to the desired orientation using mouse left click and drag. The user may enter the values for the parameters of multi-segment elbow duct in the parameter UI for obtaining different dimensions of the duct. The ripping sequence can be changed either alternate or same. If alternate ripping sequence option is selected, the orientations of the ripping edges are on the alternate sides of the segments of the duct. If same ripping sequence option is selected, the orientation of the ripping edges is on the same side of the segments of the duct. The user may change the parameters of the multi-segment elbow duct in the GUI also. The output step files of the 3D model of the duct are generated using Save Step option. For obtaining the DXF file of the unfold profile, Save DXF option is available. The user can obtain the GLTF file format by using the Save As option. The step file of 3D model, DXF file of the unfold profile and the GLTF file of the 3D model with the unfold profiles are obtained as output. Thank you for watching AlarvyCAD Duct tutorial for multi-segment elbow duct.